this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get that nice backup camera, nice little roof spoiler. We do get some silver accents along this vehicle as well, which adds a nice pop to the black. We got blind spot detection with this vehicle as well, and moving to the front here, we do get a nice license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You even get a cargo mat with the Escape logo, 12-volt hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You even get a little light down there, and you do get your storage underneath as well with your spare tire, and you can collapse that row if you need additional storage. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice gray and black cloth interior. The seats are adjustable. You have a carpeted interior, carpeted floor mats, plenty of door space in the back, rear vents, USB and USB-C, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 80,733 kilometers. We do have this vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, voice, phone and media, the Ford logo, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we have our main screen where you have your seatbelt information, auto stop, auto start, driving, intelligent all-wheel drive. We have Trip 1, My View, which has your digital speedometer, fuel economy, trip, all that jazz, Eco Coach, driving assist, navigation, audio, phone, and all that other stuff. And to my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and deep sand and snow. To my right here, we do got that leather wrap center console here with tons of storage. You can get a little outlet down there. We got our climate controls right here as well with heated seats, hazards, media controls, storage below. And looking here, we have our infotainment system that has your navigation, audio, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, any apps you may download will show up right here with your Sirius XM travel link, and settings such as your Ford Pass, vehicle, driving assist, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, display, voice control, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7992, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.